this is an overview of the YCharts Peter Lynch universe. I've made a few other videos detailing some of the stocks in this Peter Lynch universe by YCharts. Be sure to check those out. Basically what it is YCharts screens for stocks that kind of resemble a Peter Lynch type of stock. It comes up with a list of 35 of them, and yeah, I'm going through some of these stocks one by one just so you can see. Maybe there's some good investment ideas here. But next on the list here is Himax Technology. The ticker symbol is HIMX. So let's take a look at this. Now keep in mind, I don't really know a lot about any of these companies. Make sure you do your own due diligence if you're considering these for an investment. But yeah, this is more of just a jumping off point for investment ideas. Yeah, let's just take a look at some of these, what Himax Technology is all about. According to YCharts, its Y rating gives it, it's very attractive. It's got a value score of 10 out of 10, a fundamental score of 8 out of 10, and a valuation historical multiple of 45.18%. So the profile reads, Himax Technology is a semiconductor solution provider dedicated to display imaging processing technologies. It operates through the driver integrated circuit and non-driver product segments. The majority of the firm's revenue gets derived from the driver integrated circuit segment. It offers display driver ICs and timing controllers used in TVs, laptops, monitors, mobile phones, tablets, digital cameras, virtual reality devices, and many other consumer electronics devices. It also designs and provides controllers for touch sensor displays, in-cell touch and display driver integration, single chip solutions, LED driver ICs, power management ICs, scalar products for monitors and projectors. Geographically, it generates the majority of its revenue from China. So this doesn't tell us where it's headquartered, but I'm going to guess that from this URL that it's located in Taiwan. It's in the technology sector in the industry of the semiconductors. Yeah, so let's take a look at this. It's got a pretty awesome dividend yield, 15.55%. The revenue 5-year growth is 14%. Revenue quarterly year-over-year growth is not so hot, negative 49.25%. EPS diluted 5-year growth, 52.81%. EPS quarterly year-over-year growth is negative 92.94%. So it sounds like it's been run into trouble lately. Maybe this might be a kind of a Peter Lynch turnaround situation. I'm not sure. The debt to equity ratio is 0.4923. Return on equity is 39.46%. PE is 4.223. Yeah, let's look at some of the key stats. Cash, it has $227.89 million in cash. Long-term debt has $417.3 million in long-term debt. The free cash flow is $247.98 million. PEG ratio is 1.62, so it seems like it might be a little bit high, maybe overvalued. Yeah, that dividend yield is pretty impressive, over 15%. The payout ratio is not bad considering it's 15%, 64.61%. Might be worth looking at just considering like what's going on with that dividend. It's impressive. Whether or not that's stable is another thing altogether. Actually, let's just see. How long has it been? 15%, over 15%. Okay, not that long. So maybe, yeah, I'm not really sure why suddenly its dividend is just like out website. Has it been buying back any shares? Nope, it has not been buying back shares. Is the debt? What's going on with the debt? Debt has been increasing quite a bit. So it's doubled, more than doubled since June 22. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Maybe they're investing in R&D or something like that. I don't really know, but free cash flow. It's had a big run up in free cash flow last year, spring last year. It's come down a little bit, but yeah. Anyway, so maybe put this on the watch list and dig into this a little bit more later. I mean, that dividend yield's pretty impressive. But yeah, that's HIMX Technologies. Yeah, I've done a few other videos on some of these other stocks in this list, and I'm going to continue to go through some of these stocks on this list. If you want to stay up to date on what's happening with the Peter Lynch universe, the YCharts Peter Lynch universe, I update it on my website, peterlynchinvestor.com, routinely. If you subscribe to the newsletter there, I'll send you updates regularly, and or you can also subscribe to this channel. Thanks very much.